Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize your WooCommerce checkout and cart page. First things first, you're going to want to log into your WordPress account. Make sure you are on the admin page because we're going to install some plugins that are going to help us to create our checkout as well as our cart page. Once you got into your dashboard here, you want to go to the plugin sections. So you're going to want to click on add new plugins and search for several plugins. And I'm going to show you one of the example on how to find the plugins because I've already installed most of the plugins that are going to be needed for the customizations of our cart as well as our checkout page. So let's say you want to search for a snippet plugins. All you have to do is search for snippets, or maybe I'm just going to search for WooCommerce because that is the one that we're going to work with for today. So go ahead and type in WooCommerce, and as you can see, you can take a look at the plugins that are connected with WooCommerce. So you can do some stuff on WooCommerce if you installed all of these plugins. And I've already got my WooCommerce plugin installed, and in order to see the plugins that you have installed, all you have to do is go to the plugins section, and instead of going to the add new plugins, you want to go to the installed plugins area. Here on the installed plugins, I want to make sure that every plugins that I'm needing are activated. So I'm just going to check the plugins that I'm going to be using today. The first one is obviously WooCommerce, so I already got it here. And you can see that it is already active. And next, another one that we're going to need is WooCommerce block. And then we also will be needing the Elementor header and footer builder, Essentials add-on for Elementor, which is not active yet. And then we're also going to need the Shoplentor, which is also not active. So in order to activate it, I can just go ahead and click on this text besides the plugins area, and then go ahead and do activate, and then click on apply. Alright, now that I got everything activated, I can now start editing my checkout page. So we're going to go to the appearance sections and then go ahead and click on editor. And here I'm going to go to the navigation sections and choose my cart as well as checkout. So I'm going to open both of them on a new page just to make things easier. So here we got our cart page, and as you can see, it doesn't really have anything because I want to customize it. I don't want to use the one that comes from the template. Now in order to customize it, what we can do is we're going to add new section. So now we're going to add the blog, and all you have to do is click on this plus sign right here, and you're going to want to search for cart. So go ahead and search for cart, and as you can see, we got several options right here, and this is the one that we are going to add. You actually have some other option, but I'm just going to go ahead and choose this one. And as you can see, now we got the cart blog added. We got the product section, and then we got the cart totals. You can play around with the appearance of the sections right here. You can't really do much for the product sections, but for the cart totals, etc., you have options to change some things. For example, you want to change the name of the cart totals. Maybe you want it to be just totals. You can go ahead and delete it directly through here. Then you can also change the text on the subtitles, the fee, as well as the sales tax. In case you don't really add text here, or you don't want it to show the text too much, you just want it to make it subtle, etc., you can just change the names right here. And if you click on this symbols right here, you can actually take a look at what are the elements that you got on each sections. So here on the field cart, we got the cart items as well as cart total. You can see that there are some lock symbol, which means that you can't really do anything to these elements right here. Here on the empty cards, however, you got a bunch of things that you can actually edit. So let's say that you got nothing on your cart, and if you click on it, you will see a preview of how your empty cart section or empty cart page will looks like. So it says here your cart is currently empty, and let's say that you want to change the text. You want to say that you haven't changed or you haven't put anything here or some things like that. You can just go ahead and directly change it through here. And then we got the paragraph here that says browse store, and what it does is that it's going to link our customers to our product page if they click on here. And you can definitely change it. You can just click on it and then click on edit and choose whatever page you want to direct your customer to if they choose this button. And I kind of like this part right here, which is the new in-store part, and it shows, for example, some product that we just added, but I would like to change it to another name. Let's say I want this to be maybe you're interested in product, some things like that. And I'm just going to leave the newest product as it is. So this is the page that my customer will see if they got their cart empty or if they haven't put anything in here yet. Alright, so that is going to be our cart page. Now let's go to the checkout page. Alright, so here is our checkout page. And again, it's still empty because I want to customize it. So we're going to do the exact same thing with our cart page. First things first, add your blog. Go ahead and click on this plus signs on the left side of your screen and then search for checkout. Alright, so you can see that we got different checkout options. We got this checkout ones right here. We got the classic checkout one. And this is the one that usually comes with the template. So I'm just going to choose this one for our checkout blocks. So here we got all of the things that we will be needing for our checkout. We got the email sections, and then we got the shipping sections, shipping options, and then payments options. So what we're going to do is we're going to start and customizing it just like how we customize our cart page. So as you can see, there is a bunch of things that are locked, which means that you can't really do anything about it. But if you see anything that doesn't really have a lock on it, like this one's right here, this one is a terms and condition. Let's say that you don't want to put this on your checkout page, you can just go ahead and click on delete. And then if you would like to remove the coupon, maybe you don't want to use the coupon, you can always go ahead and click on delete on the coupon. And maybe you want to add some image for your checkout page. You can definitely do that by going with this side. For example, I want it to be on top of my checkout, so I'm going to click on add before, and instead of paragraph, I'm going to change it to image, so it's going to be slash, then click on image. Then you can choose one from your media library, or you can also just upload your file. So let's say I want to add the banner from the dashboard right here. I can do that, and then all I have to do is click on save. Now that we got the page customized, you can also customize the header if you want. All you have to do is click on this checkout headers options, and then you can click on edit, and it's going to bring you to the header editor. So let's say that I want to change the site title here. Let's say I want to change it to site logo, and I can just go ahead and upload my logo through there. And once you got your header edited, you can just go ahead and click on save. Now let's try to take a look at how our checkout page as well as our cart page looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead and open my website real quick. And then let's say that I want to add a product here. I can just go ahead and click add to cart. And then I'm going to go to my cart section, view my cart. This is how it looks like. And then we're going to go and click proceed to checkout. And as you can see, this is how my checkout page looks like. I got the picture, I got the logo, and then all of the other details needed for the checkout. And that's basically it. That is how you can edit your cart as well as checkout page on your WooCommerce. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.